Hi everyone, Central Norfolk Transportation here. Today you've got a slightly different video for you. If you look here, we have a bit of a piece of history here. This is a Flipdot display. This one is a Hanover one. Now this I got out of a ex-Stagecoach Dennis Dart Pointer 2, and today we're going to be having a little look around it, and I'll show a few displays I've made on it. Okay, so here we have our controller. This particular one is a Hanover Derrick, which tends to be the older style controller that main operators tend to use. First around here only use these now in their precedents, so the Tridents and the B7s. Even the old B7Ls now have Erics in them, which are slightly newer than this one. Okay, so here's the back of the controller. We have a 3-pin connector and a 2-pin one just here. The 3-pin one goes into the power pack we have to power the whole setup. And the 2-pin one provides data to the display. So currently, the last thing it said was not in service. Yeah. Okay, so I'm now going to power on the display. You'll have to excuse above my television. That's also timed to turn on, as they're connected to the same extension lead. But here we go. So first of all, it will clear what's on the screen. And then it will draw the two boot up lines. And then it will erase them. Then it should go back to not in service, as that was the last thing on the controller. Alright, so let's change the message. There we go. 12 to Wroxham. Yep. One of the better routes in Norwich, I dare say. Let's see what else we have. So 3, Holt Flyer, which is a special route operated in the summers by Aware Days, who do city sightseeing Norwich. Let's see what else we have. So I'll just quickly show you how we change the message. As here's the controller, as you can see the current messages on here. Okay, so you'll have to ignore the sound of the display flipping in the background. To change the message, we simply press the function key on the left and we enter a number. So if I want to put a 0 in, I press left, set it to 28, so we push 1, 2, press left again for the next digit, 1, 2, 3, 4, 28, and then to enter the code we press function. Not Marriott. There we go. Okay, so last of all, we're going to do something slightly different. We're going to enter the test mode. So we'll press function twice. So it says lock code. We'll enter 0101 for the Derrick. I believe it's different for the Erics and the DG3s. Then we'll press function. We'll go up to test signs, and we will press function. So now it's basically going to test all of the flips to make sure they're working. As you can see, there's a few that don't work. Well, one of them is meant to work, but you just have to give me seconds. That's better. However, you'll notice there is a flip on the left, and I believe that one's just not magnetising at all, which is a shame. But it's pretty good considering I got this whole setup for nearly nothing, less than £100. So when I received these displays from the aforementioned Stagecoach Start, I got the full front, side and rear displays. The other two are currently in a bus I'm helping to restore, which is a Mark 1 MCW Metro bus. Registration is B198WUL. So the future plan is that this will go and join them in that Metro bus, and you'll see it around Norwich a few times. It's an open topper, and I should hopefully be acquiring an LED display from one of the companies I'm working with. If you'd like to see a video on that, please do let me know. and thanks for watching. And thank you for 50 subscribers. Make sure you like, subscribe and share for more.